Hi friends, I am Dr. Ravinder from Dr. BRR channel. Last class we discussed modes of heat transfer. First one is conduction, second one is radiation, convection, and third one is radiation. So these two topics we last discussed in the last topic, and today we are going to discuss about radiations. Okay, so we know that conduction is heat travels in a solid body, and convection heat travels in a liquid body, and we will go for radiations. So here I am explaining about radiations with a good example. In a simple example, suppose in a classroom, number of students are sitting on the bench. So first student, second student, third student, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. Like that, number of students are sitting on the bench. Suppose I gave a piece of chalk to the first student. I gave the piece of chalk to the first student. So what is this? I'll instruct him to pass this to the last person. So how many possibilities are there? So this piece of chalk has to transfer to the last person. So how many possibilities are there? One first possibility is, so this person without changing his position, he can hand over to the next person. Okay, and in the same manner, without changing his position, he can hand over to the next person. Like that, person to person without changing their position, this piece of chalk, it may travel from first person to last person. It is reaching to the last person, but there is position is not changing. The position of the student is not changing. So this is called we call it is conduction. We call it is conduction. Okay. So conduction takes place in solid body. So we are heating one end of the rod, and then heat is traveling to the last end. How it is traveling means, assume that these persons are atoms or molecules. So these different molecules are heating and vibrating and transferring heat to the second person. Like that, it goes to the last person. So due to vibratory motion, heat travels from one end to another end. And coming to the convection, so another possibility is the piece of chalk, it is handed over to the last person means he is directly going to the handovering to the last person. Okay, he is moving from here. He is moving from one place to another place. So this person is coming and walking and handovering this piece of chalk to the last person. So the meaning of it is, already this also we discussed, in a bucket of water, if you heat it, what will happen? The last bottom molecule heat ends, its density decreases, and this molecule goes to the top position. So due to this person is vibrating, okay, this person is from bottom to top, translatory motion. Due to translatory motion, heat travels from one place to another place. So that is comes under convection. And regarding today's class, radiation means another possibility is there without changing their positions. So all the positions are settled, and this piece of chalk is throwing here. He is throwing here and hand over into the. So this is the last person is catching. So without any media, heat is traveling, or the piece of chalk is hand over from first person to the last person. So throwing the piece of chalk. So we can call it is without any media, sun rays are traveling from sun to earth. So between some space there is no air. Then also the heat rays are traveling and reaching to the earth. So this is the best example for radiation. Okay. So this is regarding a simple example of conduction, convection and radiations. So thank you friends. Thank you for your support. So please subscribe, share and like the video, and comment anything if you want new topics, please comment it. So thank you once again.